Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Josh Cobb here from Steps. I'm here at our Digital Marketing Essentials workshop for March 2019. I'm here with Paul Organsides from eView. How you going?
Really well.
I'm glad I got your last name correct there. Did I do it? Yes?
Yeah, been practicing.
That's good. Now, Paul, tell us a little bit about where your business is located first of all.
So, southeast of Melbourne, we're in Narre Warren.
Okay. And for those who aren't familiar with the area, what's the average sort of price point of a property in Narre Warren?
Currently about 650,000.
Okay. So when it comes to digital marketing and promoting your listings out through the web, what are some of the things that you're doing that you're seeing success with at the moment, apart from your traditional kind of portal advertising and that sort of thing?
We've been dabbling with property videos, and basically boosting them to the local audience on Facebook.
Okay, so making some local awareness campaigns with those videos as the content,
Yeah.
and bringing them back to, where do you send that traffic?
Well, what I learnt today is probably not to the right spot. Back to realestate.com actually.
Okay. So what have you learned out of today, and what you're going to take back into the business, how you might improve those video campaigns moving forward?
That it'd be a lot more beneficial to drive them back to our website rather than somebody else's website.
Got it. Okay, and if people want to get in touch with you or have a look at what you're up to, where can they find you on the web?
Am I okay to reference Facebook?
Absolutely, if you want. It's up to you.
So we're on Facebook, you just search Paul and Gina.
Okay, fantastic. Well, for all of you watching at home, for all of our people, all of those of you in Sydney, we look forward to seeing you next week for our Digital Marketing Essentials workshop there. And until next time, I'm Josh Cobb from Steps, Paul Organsides from eView. We'll see you soon.